All right, so we could either pick numbers for this, or we'll start by doing it with just algebra, right? So we want to know the area in terms of the circumference. Area is pi r squared, circumference is 2 pi r, right? So if I want to know area in terms of circumference, I need to isolate this r with the circumference, which is going to be c divided by 2 pi, right? Because this is all multiplied out. So now I can take this r equals c divided by 2 pi and substitute in for my r, right? Which is going to give me a equals pi times r squared, r being c over 2 pi, right? Forget the squared, right? Which is going to give me a equals pi times c squared over 4 pi squared, right? So now what I'm going to do is just cancel out this pi, right? This is pi times this, so this pi would cancel out with one of these pi's. So I'm going to get rid of the squared here, which is just going to leave me with c squared over 4 pi, answer choice D. Now, if that substitution is a little difficult for you, you could also just pick a radius, right? Because area and circumference are both in terms of radius. Let's call the radius 2. I would obviously avoid using the number 1. If the radius is 2, the area is 4 pi, and the circumference actually is, 4 pi. This is pi r squared, pi 2 squared, pi times, and c would be 2 pi r, 2 times 2 would be 4 pi, right? Now, I want to basically see how my answer choices are in terms of circumference. I want to take this 4 pi and plug it in, right? And I basically want to get my area, and I want it to give me my area back. So answer choice D would be c squared, which would be 16 pi squared over 4 pi, which is just going to leave me with 4 goes in 16, 4. Pi squared, these are going to cancel out. 4 pi is the area, so that would be, again, that checks out, would be the area in terms of circumference. Answer choice D.